Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Fahad. I have started my bachelor's in software engineering at the year 2011, and the batch was from 2011 to 2015. Okay, the degree that I completed was of software engineering. And after completing my software engineering degree, I started master's in computer sciences from Foundation University. And the courses that I'm going to teach, it's not a single or any specific course. Okay, I have chosen domains like software, computer science, introduction, web programming, and fourth, web development. Okay, and it's obvious that when I choose these domains, I can teach a lot of courses with respect to computer science domain. I have programming languages before in universities, and visual programming and theoretical courses. Okay, so this is about my brief introduction of myself, and thank you.